How to increase battery life on Android phone. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So you can increase your battery life on Android phone by charging it up to 85% and limiting the charging up to 85%. This will protect your battery and remove excess drainage or excess um, pressure on your battery. To do so, go to your settings, scroll down, then go to battery and device care. After that, go to battery. Now scroll down, go to more battery settings, and then simply enable this protect battery option. This will limit the maximum charge to 85% and extend the lifespan of your battery. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll get you in the next one.